everyone, I'm Amy, the brand and marketing specialist from E-Tech Machinery. Our group was founded in 1994 in Los Angeles, USA, and we began manufacturing equipment in Taiwan in 2009. Today, I'm so excited to introduce the CNC Universal Cylindrical EGP-3860B, which is one of the machines we're showcasing at the TIMTOS Machine Tool Exhibition. Now, let me explain the model name. E stands for E-Tech, G stands for grinder for our cylindrical grinders, P stands for plunge, 3860 refers to the workpiece size specification. And now, the key question, what does B mean? It represents one of our key exhibition models, the internal and external grind compound machine. The EGP-3860B enables multi-process grinding in a single clamping, and it can even grind external threads upon customer's request. In addition to handling precision parts grinding, it's also highly user-friendly for prototyping new workpieces. This model features two major highlights. The first one is B-axis with DD motor. DD stands for direct drive, which ensures direct and precise positioning. And the second one, which we've saved the best for last, is iGrind AI 2.0. That's right, with our many years of grinding experience, we were able to take our original iGrind design and enhance it to automatically generate machining parameters during setup, allowing even inexperienced users to become grinding masters. If you're looking for this kind of innovative and powerful machine, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll be here at Nangang exhibition from March 3rd to March 8th, Hall 1, 4th floor at N0614. See you soon!